Intraday recap for Friday, December 3rd, 2021. Check it out. This is Dan Max, the trading agent. This is a stock trading and recap channel that I wanted to share to the masses. In a probability game, there's no certainty. Here are my insights and predictions. It's the trading agent.
This is Dan Max,
a stock
EXPI
trading and
Realty,
recap channel
aka
that I wanted to share to the masses.
doing a
In
live
probability
day
game, there's no
recap for
certainty.
Friday,
Here are my
November
insights
3rd,
and predictions.
or sorry, December 3rd. It's jobs numbers day. I wanted to start with the YouTube channel. I've been updating it, did a little background banner change. I'm also doing shorts with quick alerts. So I'll drop an alert. I don't know why the banner on this one's not changing, but
Max,
for GLD, SLV, and SPY, I recently posted those. What I'm trying to do is just give people opportunity.
Here are my insights and predictions.
If they're watching the market, hey, turn your subscription on, turn on your alerts. If I drop a video, it hopefully will come to you by an alert and you can see what I'm up to real quickly. So that's a new little feature I'm adding. I hope that makes sense and it works for you. Here's the Discord board talking about things this morning. A lot of stuff going on, but let's jump into it really quickly and do a quick video on the markets. Bitcoin, back testing the trend line. We talked about this. It's breaking here. I would not be surprised if it somehow got down to 53,000 at some point. Always possible. Keep that in mind. The market. This is market is all over the place. Let's just run through them quickly. The dollar, high and tight, holding up here. I'm not sure if it's going to go higher, but as long as it holds this upper trend line, it looks good. The TLT, we said it was going to have problems at the resistance zone, but ultimately would get up into this dotted area above in the 155, 156. Looks like we're on our way. The VIX, slightly delayed. Keep that in mind with this futures contract for me. It is back up in the high 30s. Holding up here means it could be a crash underway, major crash. So keep that in mind. If it is, it should happen soon. You'll see it. The SPY, this is what's interesting, is that the SPY has this multi-day range. I put out a SPY alert to watch the 50-day for a buy. It's a little higher at I think you can't. It's so tight in there. 151 something. Anyway, watch the 3-day range. If the SPY breaks the 100-day, I'm about 99.9% sure we will bounce from there. I don't think we'll cut through it. So keep that in mind. If you're short the market, I would be looking to take profits and look for bounces to short more. If you shorted this morning, as we talked about, just wait for the jobs number. You had a great opportunity at 460. You're going to make 10 points on the SPY. That's a great day. Put it in the bag, go drink a margarita, and enjoy the rest of your day. The Qs, this has been, in my opinion, the weakness. We're at the 50-day right now. That's why I wanted to do this video. We're up along this old high area. There's a lot of tech weakness. Let's just keep it simple. I mean, I did videos on this. I hope people go back and study this stuff and look through the archives. Tech was going to lose money first. If the market weakened, the tech economy, whatever you want to call it, the tech stocks, I apologize, would be the first to get wrecked. They're the most overowned and they're the most overvalued. If a bear market was to come, you're going to see tech get absolutely shit canned. I did this in other videos. I'll do it here again just for your reference. Here is the QQQ in 1999. Went from 44 up to $1.20 and then corrected all the way down to the 20. I mean, it lost 80% plus of its value. Do not be that person who thinks that tech can never go down. It's the future. Tech is always the future. It's always been the future. There's times when it's weak. Keep it that simple. Sorry, let's pop in the IWM real quick. This has been interesting to me because, not the monthly. The daily is at some major trend lines in this area. It looks like it's going to hold this area for now. Keep it in mind. Just watch it. If you're trading indexes, you need to know what everything is doing, not just the index you're in. They all matter, okay? GLD did a buy alert this morning. It said anywhere in the 165 buy. Nice. It's bouncing back. It looks great. I think gold and silver are tremendously undervalued. I put out another alert, silver in the mid-20s. I mean, I've been buying it since here. I don't care. I will buy more. And this action, earlier, I mean, we literally talked. I mean, I did a video as this was happening. It said anywhere in the mid-20s, just buy it. Have a stop. Don't even think about it. Don't overthink it. It is what it is. The GDX is acting pretty decently. It's not great because the market's getting shit canned. But look, you got wicks again. We retested the lows. I'd be looking for an outside reversal day. If this somehow gets back over 30.84, this is a big outside reversal. It will be a bottom in my opinion, and at least have multiple days of up to follow. Apologize if I'm talking quickly. I just want to keep these videos short because I know a lot of people can't stomach watching the whole thing. But there's a lot of information here. GDXJ made another low. Watch for that. It's anywhere in this like 39 to 40 area, I think, is a screaming absolute buy. If you're not buying it, well, then you're scared. And scared money doesn't make money. You can have stops. AG anywhere in the mid 10s seems absolutely like a steal. KL was down below yesterday's lows at this one point yesterday. Nope, sorry. Retested yesterday's lows. I like the action. It's someone stopping the action. It's not dropping when the market's dropping. Keep that in mind. AEM, we said watching this back test of this trend line looks like an absolute steal in the 47s. Looking so far like such. Was it SBSW? Yep. Someone wanted that one. Let's look at that real quick. That looks great today. I mean, that is absolutely ripping higher. I like the way that looks. I know. Oh, shit, that's the 1 minute chart. Yeah, it looks great on the 1 minute. No shit. Yeah, it has a double bottom. I like it. I think it's a good buy down here. PAAS, not on silver or gold, but PAAS the actual stock, Pan American Silver. I like it here in the mid 23s. Looks so obvious. It's a buy. Just have stops. Again, you can be wrong. Being wrong is okay, but scare money doesn't make money. You gotta be willing to put the chips on the table. X, love it here. 22s. This is the absolute best bottom area. I mean, you have big red candles, and now you have compressing here. It looks like it's going to revert back up. I think steel prices are going higher. Inflation's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. Good old VALE. Man, pretty wild day today, actually. It was up in the 13s. Hit the 50-day like perfectly, and hence why you need to know the fucking moving averages. Excuse my French, but now you're backing off. 20-day to 50-day compression would be fine in VALE. If it goes sideways, no problem. Don't sweat it. Let's run into some of the tech names because they're absolutely getting kicked in the teeth. What do we say, AMD? If you're not taking profits up at the top of the channel here in the red, you are going to regret it. Well, now you're regretting it because the 20 days broken. It could open up and get even deeper for the loss. I mean, again, the easy money's been made. Just move on.org. Apple, talk the same thing. Upper channel. Take your money. Just get out. Watch it. Take your profit. Let it run. It's going to do a thing. It needs to consolidate, and it's going to back up. Tech comes back, it's done. MicroStrategy, I like this one now because that's starting to get to that trend line. You can see it's at the uptrend, old uptrend. I would be watching this area for a buy in MicroStrategy. It seems very obvious. Good old RIVN. We said 106, watch it. Blasted through it. If you would have bought it at 106, you stopped out, you lost $2, whatever, not the end of the world. Making lower lows, I would not be buying it here unless you get back over 106, which seems a little counterintuitive, but hey, guess what? This one right now, I don't know where the bottom is. The bottom could be down in 95. At 100, you got ways to go before you get there. Let it do what it's going to do. Don't overthink it. Roblox, man, I hate to say I told you so, but man, if you would have sold the 2 times range up here, you're loving life. Now you're at the 20-day. We said it broke this channel. It was done. Well, it's done now. And can it fill the gap? Can it go lower? Yes. The easy money's been made. Wait for consolidate. Wait for it to just base out. Let it play out. It is what it is. Good old PENN, killing me today. It's got a 3-day range here. It's not really breaking lower. Have your stops. I should be out higher, but I think it's due for a pop, but I could be wrong. This guy's wrong. You're wrong. We're all going to be wrong at some point. Anyone acting like they're never wrong, just don't follow them. Run away. They're idiots. No one's always right. That's just not how trading works. Even big money's wrong. Tesla, you can see there's a slight bit of support right here. It needs to hold this 10... But just say 1,000, or it's going to go to the 50-day real quick. If it gets to the 50-day really quickly, again, if the speed is down, if quickly, and it hits the 50-day, I think it'll bounce quicker. So if you're looking for a quick scalp setup, that looks like an interesting buy. EXPI, the parent company of Dan Max Realty. I'm just kidding. No, that's who I work for. Filled the gap, but not holding up that well. Not too excited about it, but hey, it is what it is. Keep an eye on it. I'd like for it to hold this area, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. It is what it is. And let's end with oil real quick because oil is up. The XOP, though, is not so much. Oil is getting hit. I would watch the 100-day, 200-day area. ExxonMobil, same kind of thing. We said, watch the 100-day, 200-day cross. It's holding up actually pretty well. I would buy it once it breaks the downtrend. Let's keep it that simple. I hope there's a lot of stuff here that you can use for your help. If you have questions, pop in the Discord room. There's tons of videos that are going to be popping out for learning, for education. Trading is not something you're going to figure out in one day. Pretend this is a fire hose and you're a sponge. You just got to pick it up, squeeze it out, learn a little bit, learn a bit, experience will help. So keep an eye on the SPY. 50-day moving average. VIX might be breaking out. I'll talk to you guys later. Cheers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like the content. Also smash the like button, share with your friends, and add a comment. If there's a topic or stock you'd like me to give you insight about, let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer your question. Thanks.